Welcome back, scientists! Today we're going to be making slime. Slime is really fun to make at home and very easy. We're just going to start out with half of a cup of warm water, and we're going to pour that into a bowl, and then we're going to get half of a teaspoon of borax powder. Now, borax powder is actually a molecule called sodium borate. It's a salt, and when we add it to the water, that salt dissociates and becomes boric acid. And when it becomes boric acid, it frees up all of these arm-like things on this borate molecule so that it can act as a cross-linker and grab all of our polymer molecules. Now, the polymer that we're going to be using in this experiment is regular old glue. So I'm going to weigh out 4 ounces of just school glue, and then I'm going to add half of a cup of water to it to just thin it out a little bit and make it less gloopy. This is also a really good time to add any color or glitter or anything that you want to spruce up your slime to make it a little bit more fun. I'm adding a little bit of glitter here. And then we're going to slowly add our borax solution. So I'm adding it half a teaspoon at a time and stirring it all in and mixing it up. And what's happening here is our glue is a polymer. Polymer are really long strings of molecules. You can kind of think of them like spaghetti. And the borax is acting as a cross-linker. And borax is a great cross-linker because it's such a big molecule with lots of little arms on it that can grab all these spaghetti strands of polymers and stick them together. And when we do that, the liquidy glue becomes more solid because the bonds that are formed between the borax and the glue make it kind of stuck, so that it can't slide past each other the way that it would in a liquid form. And so that's why slime goes from being sort of a liquid that you have in a bowl that you can stir into being this more solid, stretchy thing. So add as much borax as you like until it gets to the consistency that you want. And hopefully you get to try this at home. It's really easy and fun. And until next time, keep discovering.